Update a 1970s kitchen. Updating your kitchen is a great way to add value to your home. As one of the most important spaces in the home, you deserve a kitchen that is fully functional and beautiful. Kitchen renovations can cost money since there are so many appliances that you need to change. However, it's well worth the investment. Remember, you will prepare all your family's meals in this space, and most of the time, family members will want to congregate in this area. If your kitchen hasn't been updated since the 1970s, then it's time to bring it into modern times. Here's how to update a 1970s kitchen. Assess how you want the space to be used. Before you start your project, you need to assess what type of work you need done in the kitchen. Think about the habits of your family. If you love to cook, do you find that you are lacking in storage and counter space? Do you want your kids to have a nook to be able to do their homework while you prepare dinner? Do you need a space to put a small TV? List down your needs so you can incorporate it in your new kitchen. Determine the budget for the project. If you're doing a full renovation, you'll need to allocate a few $1,000s for this project. If you want to cut back on the cost, you can do some of the work yourself. However, it's best to get it all done in one fell swoop to minimize the hassle on the entire family. Change your appliances. Switch your avocado green appliances with stainless steel energy-efficient models. You can save money by getting a high-rated energy-efficient refrigerator, oven, and dishwasher. Get an above-the-stove microwave to save on counter space. Also, new appliances are roomier and more efficient in cooling, heating, and cleaning. Since appliances last about 10 to 15 years, go ahead and get the one you love since it will be with you for a while. Change the countertops. Most kitchens in the 1970s were built with tile countertops. It's time to change it up with a granite one. Not only is granite sturdier, it is also easier to clean and maintain. Update the flooring. Get rid of your old linoleum floor and choose from a variety of new floor finishes. You can go with tile or try a wood finish for your kitchen. Choose a color scheme that you like. Get new cabinets. Get rid of your dark finish wood cabinets and change to something lighter and brighter. If you're down on cash, you can choose to resurface the wood to make it brighter. Change the hardware to sleek pewter colored handles. However, if you go ahead and change the cabinet system, you can have it customized to have pull-out drawers and shelves. Because this is a major project, you may want to work with an interior decorator and a professional carpenter to complete this project. Don't let the cost overwhelm you. It's well worth the investment to have a beautiful and modern kitchen that provides you all the conveniences of new construction.